Hi all, this is Z from MarketWizards.com and eminywizard.com, just with a quick market update, trying to keep traders out of trouble. Reminder to use risk capital you can afford to lose if you're playing this game. Very dangerous market tonight. Obviously, if you're playing just looking for small, quick bites as the market moves back and forth. And a reminder, this is not a video game. This is a real business, and if you're looking for ways to take capital out of the market, remember it also bites and can take money out of your wallet too. So it's a two-way street with this game, and make sure you get an education first before you play this game. Looking at a couple of charts that I think are important. One is the overnight range, and two is our weekly or monthly range. Right now I've got the monthlies on. I don't know how I could even think about trading this type of a market without something like the widget. So here's our smaller frame that we are looking at, trying to understand the rotations. And obviously we've got a deeper frame up here. Note how we've got about 100-point difference already here. That's one of the things I keep an eye on. Last known resistance we called on Tuesday was 35. We've got to a low of 49.75. It's about 15 points missing from a C note in that direction. We're trading the pipe right now. I'm looking at 89.91, calling that 90. So paid for sure by 92s. Reminder that this 96 was that last known low. So that's going to be an important resistance zone as well. Market's got to get back up above 96 to 98 and then hold that. 98.25 last year's high. And we've got 75.25 as this year's open. So that's going to be an important battlefield tonight. And right now, this is the range that I'm seeing that the market's trading in, this blue circle right here. If you're looking at the yearly chart, note that we have come through, held the 38s. I was using that as resistance on Tuesday. And I said 35 resistance. I had that in mind. That's the year middle. So for now, we plunged through the bottom of that 85.75, and that's a fighting zone right now as well. And then obviously this next box says 33.5 as the support level for that location. And that's going to be about 100 points off of that last known resistance. So that's our battlefield right now. And that's the way I'm trying to explain it to our traders. If you're going to look at the predictive model, right now we're in this box, the 95 to 96 area. That would be the retest. So I think that's a key resistance for now that needs to be overcome. Obviously, the 75 basis our predictive model is a test for the year open. 56.25 next support level, and then obviously back into that 30 range down here. This is our support box for now that got rejected pretty quickly. So currently this is our fighting range right here, and before you even think about anything in the 60s and 50s, you got to get by 75. And that's the current battle, I believe, right now, and the best way I know how to describe what's going on in the market. Not conjecture, not theory, just simply looking at the levels and looking at the ideas as to where is the market currently trading. This is a 2-minute chart. So I'm using this idea and keeping an eye on the green, the red, and the blue as resistance levels. So it's pretty wild open. And if you're going to trade it, make sure you know what you're doing, and certainly you don't need to leverage too much with the kind of swings that we've had. So certainly don't overtrade if you're playing this market tonight. And this is what I'm looking at in the NASDAQ. So if you're trading that, and I typically do not. I like the E-mini S&P, but this stuff works on any of these things, whether it's stocks or ETFs or other vehicles, futures. And this is what I'm looking at as the current range. Step by step. Before you get to the next level, you got to bust high here and you got to bust low before you get down into this range. So, and you can see what I was looking at last couple of weeks, seeing this type of a pattern, lower highs and lower lows. So keep an eye on that pattern. And in our Slack room, I advise anybody that had taken a short side trade off of this bounce, make sure coming back in at the 85s to 82s, you get paid for sure. And then we're trading this box right in here. So my advice is if you are short side looking to hit a bounce, don't get too aggressive. Trailer, win with a trailer. Probably better off playing hit and run right now. So using somewhere like 82 to 85 as our mid zone. I think that's the best posture right now. Can't break the 82s to 85s. Then you're looking obviously for that 78s to 75 area. And step by step. And this is the current range that I think is trying to be resolved right now. So 92 resistance. Never let a trade like this run against you if it backs up. Take what you can and then look for a re-entry. All right. Good luck with your trading, traders, and stay out of trouble. Avoid trouble tonight.